Hello students, this chapter is on human geography, nature and scope. You are already aware of the fact that the core concern of geography as a discipline is to understand the earth as home of human beings and to study all those elements which have sustained them. Thus, emphasis is on study of nature and human beings. Therefore, geography got subjected to dualism means there are two views on geography, one giving importance to environmental factors and the other to social factors, and that's how it got divided into two branches, physical and human geography. However, you must realize that nature and human are inseparable elements and they should not be seen separately. Now let's start with the first aspect, that is nature of human geography. Human geography studies the interrelationship between the physical environment and socio-cultural environment. The elements of physical environment are landform, soil, climate, water, natural vegetation, flora, fauna, and on the other hand, the elements created by human beings are houses, villages, cities, road, railway networks, industries, farms, ports, and items of a daily use. And we are talking about interrelationship between them, which simply means how humans have modified the physical environment, which in turn had impacted their life to a great extent. Next is naturalization of humans and humanization of nature. In order to develop something, we need to be aware of our surrounding and the things that is required to make what we want. Human beings were able to develop technology after they developed better understanding of natural laws. Some examples are concept of friction and heat has helped to discover fire. Then understanding of the secret of DNA and genetic enabled us to conquer many diseases. Then we have the laws of aerodynamics to develop faster planes. So all these are fine examples why knowledge about nature is extremely important to develop technology. This interaction of humans with environment with the help of technology indicates the level of cultural development. Now, let's understand the three important geographical theories on man-environment interaction. The first one is environmental determinism. It was first coined by Ellsworth Huntington. This theory talks about the interaction of primitive societies with their physical environment. At that stage of very low level of technological development, we can imagine the presence of a naturalized human who listened to nature, was afraid of its fury, and worshipped it. It is also known as naturalization of humans. Second one is environmental possibilism, coined by Vidal de la Blache. This theory says that nature provides opportunities. With the help of technology, humans modify nature and created cultural landscape, which is also called as humanization of nature. And the third one is neo-determinism, also known as stop-and-go determinism, put forth by Griffith Taylor. He believed that neither is there a situation of absolute necessity, nor is there a condition of absolute freedom, means possibilities can be created within the limits. The last topic of this chapter is human geography through the corridors of time. The emergence of human geography started with the interaction, adaptation, adjustment, and modification between the human and the environment. Before the age of discovery, there was little interaction between different societies, but late 15th century, informations about the unknown societies were made available. Exploration by travelers and interaction with different societies expanded the areas of human geography. With this, new approaches came across, like welfare or humanistic school of thought, radical school of thought, and behavioral school of thought.